Today, we will answer this algebra challenge coming from one of our followers. And the question goes like this. Given these equations, x plus y plus z equals 0, a plus b plus c equals 0, a over x plus b over y plus c over z equals 0. The question is, what is the numerical value of this expression ax squared plus by squared plus cz squared, provided that all of these variables are not equal to 0. Now, pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the answer and the solution in 3, 2, 1. Before we proceed to the answer, take a wild guess. What is your answer in this question? If your answer is 0, then you are definitely correct, because the answer to this question is 0. Now, the question is, how do we get 0? So, here's our solution. Take note, we don't need to find the values of a, b, c, x, y, z in these given equations. Instead, we will use what we call the algebraic manipulation. Now, let's get the expression that we want to evaluate. Take note, we can rewrite this as follows. We have ax times x plus by times y plus cz times z. And let's use the first given equation that says that x plus y plus z equals 0. If we want to find the value of x can be written as negative y minus z. Also, if we want to get the value of y can be written as negative x minus z. And if we want to get the value of z, this is just negative x minus y. In short, we can replace this x, y, and z in this expression like this. From here, let's distribute ax, by, and cz. And then let's focus on this result. Now, let's combine the terms having yz, xz, and xy. And then factor out yz, xz, and xy. And let's set aside this result. And here comes the second equation comes into play that says that a plus b plus c equals 0. If we want to find the value of b plus c, this is just negative a. If we want to find the value of a plus c, this is just negative b, and a plus b is just negative c. In short, we can replace b plus c, a plus c, and a plus b like this. And let's multiply, or let's simplify this expression. So we have ayz plus bxc plus cxy. And let's set aside this result. We use the first equation, the second equation, and here comes the third equation comes into play. That says that a over x plus b over y plus c over z equals 0. Take note, x, y, and z are not equal to 0. In short, we can multiply this equation both sides by the product of x, y, and z like this. This becomes ayz plus bxz plus cxy equals 0, because 0 times xyz is still 0. And that's exactly this expression right over here. In short, ax squared plus by squared plus cz squared is also equal to 0. And that is our answer to this question. So given these three equations, then the numerical value of this expression simply equal to 0. Therefore, if we want to find the numerical value of this, and our answer is 0. And before we end this video, let's have some extra challenge. So given a plus b plus c equals 0, a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equals 3, a raised to the fifth power plus b raised to the fifth power plus c raised to the fifth power equals 0, then what is the numerical value of this expression a raised to the power of 2025 plus b raised to the power of 2025 plus c raised to the power of 2025? I will wait your answer in the comment section down below, and see you on our next video featuring this problem. And as always, we are done.